Okay, so we were here at Beachburg. This is the first time we were ever at a sand track. Uh, it is definitely tricky. It tricked us for sure on setup. Basically, we tried to lower the tire pressure, we tried the low gear, and that didn't work at all, as you'll see. It's just revved, well, to the chip for the first time, and didn't really go. Still had a decent finish, but there was more to be desired. Learned a bit more for next year.
On your way right this minute, big block forward power. We'll see if he can get her done. Green flag, green light. It's all up to him.